Yathisha. Once again, a very good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. So, before we start the session, this is our disclaimer. So, whatever we are going to present in this webinar, please do not consider it as a buy or sell of any index or stocks. This is only for education purpose. So, please consult your investment advisor before you place any order. Okay, so Uh, key news. US market. After we close the market, there are US market has been came under pressure as even the industrial output economic data has came out, which is almost in line with the market expectations. And also there are several economic data which is going to come out today. So that is also key over here. So today's trading session, in tomorrow's trading session, it will come out. And after the market close, there are several earnings has been posted. Out of that, there is a one earnings from Target Group has been very gloomy, where they have concern of raising about the inflation data, and there is a slowdown in consumption. So that's the reason US market has been fell yesterday, uh, which triggered overall fall in the Asian market also. So let us move on. Let move on to later that part. Other news from the domestic markets are windfall tax has been crude has been increased. Which is while export duty. So which is kind of negative news for Reliance and oil marketing companies. And Balrampur Chini has commences commercial production of industrial alcohol at Maizapur with the capacity of 320 kiloliter per distilled. So Blackstone also will buy 52% stake, which is majority of the stakes in our systems, for 245 per share. And SoftBank wants to sell the Paytm share via block deal. So there is a lot more negative news coming for Paytm also. And let us move on to Asian market. As I said, Target Group and other key earnings has triggered the Nasdaq down, which is a major component. So that's why US market has been fallen, and EU market also fell in the last week, and SGX Nifty also trading currently at in line with the Nifty somewhere around 18,400 level. And Asian market also came under pressure. Hang Seng, which you can see more than 2.42, which is almost under correction if you see the chart. And whatever the OI data suggests, like Nifty is currently trading slightly below 1, which is 0.95, and the majority of the open interest places around 18,400 and 18,500 level. which we can clearly see that is a clear hurdle for Nifty 50, which is from last 2-3 session, which is currently trading at hovering around that region. And max OI put option placed around 18,300 and 18,000 level. Bank Nifty, it's almost 1.46, which is very strong, and 42,500, 43,000 is a higher level placed, and 42,000 and 42,500, which is quite narrow range for Bank Nifty. So let's move on to chart. So what are the charts are suggesting? So you can see, as I said, from last 3-4 days, it's hovering around this region, that is 18,400, which is almost uh, which is impossible from last 2 days, but almost given a breakout over here and close above 18,400 level. So what's next? It's almost a clear-cut uptrend over here, and there is a slight only 1 day gap down, but after that there is a very good gap up opening with strong gap up opening with volume, where we have clearly said from here we have shifted the market status to confirm uptrend. So after that there is a very good up volume is volume also coming there. And right now what we see is after this sharp rally, we might see some cooling off from the higher levels. So we might see some pullback trades over here, which might pull the index towards this level, which is gap up area, and also here that is around 250 level. So we might see some cooling off in the Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty also. So we might see some around 18,200 is the next, 250 is the next support level for Nifty 50. The overall trend is positive. There is no change in the trend, but there is some cooling off we can see in the coming sessions in a short term perspective. The major support is placed around 18,000, which is a breakout level. So that is a major support for Nifty 50. So until then, there is no problem for Nifty 50. And coming back to Bank Nifty, that is also trading at nearly currently at trading at all-time high. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is quite quietly outperforming the market, and you can see from the last 3-4 days, it's been very good positive. Similarly, what I have said in Nifty, this also index might cool off some bit up little bit. There is no overall trend has been not changed, but slightly 1 or 2 days point of view, there will be some cooling off will be happening. So until it's trading above this 14,500 level, so that is a major support for Bank Nifty. So that's it from today's pre-bill with William Munil, and I will also like to join the evening session with the Mayuresh team at 4:30 p.m. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you all.